Go.
Good morning. Today, we're going to discuss about graphs. A graph is a nonlinear kind of data structure made up of null and vertices. So, ating na form, denotes what? The ating denotes that. Nag-vertice tayo at arrow. Vertices. Next. Components of graph and data structure. Vertices are the fundamental units of the graph. Sometimes, vertices are also known as vertex elements. Every node vertex can be labeled or unlabeled. Edges are the drawn or used to connect two nodes of the graph. It can be ordered pair or node in a directed graph. Edge can connect any two nodes in any possible way. There are no rules. Sometimes edges are also known as types of graph. Directed graph. A directed graph also refers to as diagraph is a set of nodes connected by edge each in a direction. As you can see, guys. Directed path. Naka-directorate dyan. Correct. Next, undirected graph. An undirected graph implies a set of nodes and connecting them. Next. Third, weighted graph. A weighted graph is a graph where each edge has a number weight that represents distance, cost, or time. So, ating si weighted graph kayo, then next. Cyclic graph is a graph contained that is one graph cycle. It's considered to be a cycle. Makas na eh. A, B, C, D, E, A. Yan.
Yang tayo pa din?
A, B, C, F, E, A. Nagsubli lang.
Yang tayo ko.
Cyclic.
Cyclic graph.
Next, a cyclic graph, when
Cyclic
there
graph.
are no cycles in a graph, is called an acyclic graph. Sa kumaston, katinggalan lang ni F.
Nga kuwata.
E, B, C, F.
Cyclic
Connected
graph.
graph, if there is a path between one vertex of a graph, data structure and any other vertex, the graph is connected.
Ay, guray.
Pag ma-A, B, A, C, C, D, D, E. Next, disconnected graph, when there is no edge, they keep the disconnected graph. Nagkakumanda, kikinore ka ito. Disconnected graph, nagkakumanda, di ba, nagkinore, kinare.
Handle lang yung
Ating each talog kinonekta, but adiduwa. So we call it this one.
Representation of graph eventually. There are multiple ways to store graph. The following are the most common representation. Number one is with adjacent symmetry, and the second one is adjacent cities. The first one is adjacent cities matrix, representation. An adjacency matrix is a way of representing a graph as a matrix of media, zeros and ones. Let's assume that there are n vertices in the graph. So, create a 2P matrix having a dimension n. So, ato'y nagkaramit ko na di matrix. Yan. Tinang ko ato'y ni node 0 connected so akin ni 1 kinito. So, talo ma-determine na connected so na T0 at 1. So, naawag natin na may 1 na 0. So, kung natin tingnan zeros and 1s. Timot 1 connected so natin ni 0, 2. So, ni 0 dyan, connect natin ni 1. So, 1 din natin na dyan. Yes?
Next. Na?
Kung ka na, Juan.
There. Adjacent cities. This graph is represented as a collection of linked lists. There is an array of pointer which points to the edge connected to the vertex. Isla mo lang kasyay. Isla lista mo lang i-connect. The 0 connected kini 1 and 2. The 1 connected kini 0 kini 2. Ito connected kini 0, 1, 3. The 3 connected lang kini 2. CJ adjacent series. Representation of undirected graph as adjacent series. The below undirected graph has 3 vertices. So, an array of these will be radians of size 3. Talo lang nga mga 3 lang size na. Where each index represents the vertex. Now, vertex 0 has 2 neighbors. Example ni 1 and 2. So, insert vertex 1 and 2 at index 0. Yan. I-insert yan ni 1 ganito na ang kinonect, mamay connect ni 0. Similarly, for vertex 1, it has 2 neighbors. So, yan ni 1 and 2. So, insert vertex 2 and 0 at index 1 of array. Similarly, for vertex 2, insert its neighbor in an array of these. Isa din ni array 0, 1, 2. Ni array 0 na connect so natin ni 1 and 2. Nimot array 1 ni 0 mag kinito. Ni array 2 mag ni 0 kini 1. So, as this ni adjacent series ay representation of undirected graph. Adjacent series.
So, now let's proceed to the graph reversal. So, graph reversal refers to the process of visiting all the nodes in a graph in a systematic way. It helps researching, fact-finding, and analyzing the graph structure. First, let's talk about the breadth-first search, or also known as BFS, an algorithm that explores all neighbors of a node. Before moving to the next level neighbors, breadth-first search, or BFS, is a fundamental all adjacent or visited adjacent are traversed. The second one is the left first search or DFS. This is an algorithm that explores as far down a branch as possible before backtrack. So I am going to discuss the breadth first search. In this example, we're going to see the input or the adjacency, which is the 1, 2, 0, 2, 3, 0, 4, 1, 4, 2, 3. And we're going to our expected output will be the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this example, we are going to tackle it one by one on how we are going to get the output of the input or the adjacency. So first, let's proceed to the first number, which is the 0. So, as we can see, ang naka-input lang dito sa ating example is yung 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So, in this, first, we're going to sabi dito, maintain a queue or reserve and a visited array such that the queue stores nodes to be processed in first out order or yung FIFO na sinasabi nila. Restore or rest or stores the DFS traversal sequence and visited keeps track of visited nodes to prevent reprocessing. So example type of 0, 1, 2, 3, and more. So in this example, sa example na to, yung adjacency natin dito is basta yung final output na naman yung lalagay natin dito.
So, why mo ba?
0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Maglalagay tayo dito ngayon ng tatlong para makita natin kung ano yung mga nag-visit natin dito para makuha natin yung final output. The first one is the search. So, ang una natin dito is the 0. We're going to put the 0 in this reserve. Since visit na natin yung 0, yung sa number na nandito, which is limang number na nandito. Since yung 0 is na magiging T. Tapos, since yung 0 is connected siya kay yung 0 dito. Yung 0 is connected siya kay 1 and 2. So we're going to put it in a queue 1 and tapos yung susunod dito yung node 1. Yung node 1 natin dito is connected siya kay 0, 2, tapos kay 3. So, basta ma-connected connected si 1 kay 1, connected si 1 kay 0, 2, and 3. Tapos, basta kung ano yung mauuna dito sa kanila na i-visit nyo, ilalagay nyo dito yung number na yun. na nabisita na naman natin yung 0, di ba? Magiging pupunta siya dito kay Q. Tapos, add si 1 naman dito. Since nabisit naman natin si 1, magiging P ito. Tapos, ang susunod naman is si 2. Tapos, magiging 1 dito. Tapos, since nabisit na naman natin si 2, magiging 2 ulit dito. Tapos, pupunta ulit si 2 dito kay Q. Tapos, hanggang sa matapos lang yung process until ma-reach natin si 4. Since wala naman ng after ni 4, since wala naman na siyang ma-research, pwede natin gawin yung top. Until mag-get natin yung final output natin na si Q, which is the 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ganito kami yung sabi dito. Second step starts the traversal with node 0. Put it into the queue, mark it as visited. And while the queue is not empty, but the front node store it in rest. And the next step, gaya ng sinabi, remove the front element 0 from the queue, store it in rest. Visit it unvisited neighbors, mark them as visited, and push them into the queue for further processing. So, gaya nung sinabi ko kanina na habang nabibisit nyo lahat kung nasa yung mga number na yan, unti-unting napupuno yung box dito na nagiging P. As far as di natin nabibisit sila, magiging cost pa sila natin. The next one is remove the front element 1 from the queue, store it in rest, visit it unvisited neighbors, mark them as visited, and push them into the queue for further processing. Remove the front element from the queue, store it in rest, visit unvisited neighbors, mark them as visited, and push them. Kaya yung process, ulit-ulit lang yun hanggang sumatapos lahat. So, mark Justin Rain will take it.
Comprise DFS or step first search is a fundamental graph traversal algorithm used to explore nodes and edge of a graph. Data structure to traverse or search through nodes. So first, ang kailangan ko ay input the adjacent cities. So first cut, we input the adjacency. Ay, ito yun. So, tanong mga alat yung ating cut, mag-start ko ni 0. So, ni zero volt connected sila kami. So, ni zero connected sila kay ni 1.2. So, ni 1.2 tayo may cable dito. Then, ni 1 volt connected sila kay ni zero only. Then dito may connected sila kay ni 1, 0, 1 ni ay 0, 1, 3, 4. Ha? Then di trigger connected sila kay ni then the 4 connected sila kay ni
Bigat.
sa TJ at is na. Then visit 2 visited. Ay ang visit na yun. Then ko na lang ito maintain ang visited array graph which will update scroll. So ko na, sa number 1, but awang pala tinag just because no, awang pala tinamark nga loops. Awang pala tinamark loops. Ito. Hindi ko ata. Ito. Na. Hindi. Na. Kabalik. Kabalik na. Then ATG number 1. So we begin at noon 0 visited is all false kasi awang 20 awang ka na visited hindi awang ka natin markan natin values. So kumprahan tayo po ATG number 2. Imagine natin yata number 2 tayo. So we need to mark the noon 0 tatlo at balik nga ito atoy. Agbaling natin ni 0, 10. The rest is empty. So we mark root 0 as a visited, 0 become 2. And add 0 to rest. So at the 0 to n kasi visited is 0. Ito lang ulti. Bilyo. Sige na po yung tigol. number 3, from node 0, we go to its neighbor, mapalipin ni number 1. Then, we mark the number 1 tatlo, mapaling nga tuloy dyan, the 21. So, nung nag-visit na ni Wallace, so, sabi pinuwan dito yun. And number 4. So, ginambur 4 doon. From node 1, we go to its neighbors, node 2. Then we mark ang node 2, tatlo mabisited. Tatlo mabisited ni node 2. So, ikabit yung ikin ni node 2 kan, ito tisulan kasi namarkanan, nabisited. So, ikabit yung ni yan. So, yung number 5. Number 5, from node 2 we go to its neighbors, node, which is node 3. Then we mark ang node 3 as N. So ang tumungan ng 3, then
Sorry Black, sorry. Uy, tersama. Maulawan. Isya. Isya. Apa sila? Ikat ko.
So yung number 6 ko, nalabas na yung range, ang subli-subli.
Tayo pay.
Ang tagli, nakikita din mapanso natin ni 4. So we might node 4, at mga visit na ni 4, so mga actually nga ito.
Halo kata. Halo kata may.
Then number 8 ko, backtracking na yun.
30 minutes yun.
Yan ang dati ba?
Eh, kaya, magandong. Tayo mo, saan? Palmas ka lang. Ray, nadupay. Balong.
Then that's what we're doing on next meeting, we discuss the backtracking of PFS.
Wala kang mga
Pabida ako.
Wala, bakit ito natin?